Hey, what's up everyone, welcome to Profit Data. So today exactly I'm going to talk about render candlestick chart using Fyers API version 3 in Blender Python. Okay, so getting into the main part, first we need to talk about the prerequisite things, which is installation. Okay, especially the pip installation of Fyers API version 3. Okay, the MPL finance. Okay, and the required module stuff. Okay, so for that reason you can visit profitadaweb.com. Okay, in search box at the right hand side you can say just a topic name, which is Blender, and just say click on search. Okay, so it will get you the web page. Okay, so just get with the page, okay, which says stock market visualizer plotter Blender in Python. Okay, so where I have been done some explanation related to the Blender. Okay, talking about how you can get in Python your version of a Blender Python. Wherever you have been done the installation, just get with it. Okay, just get your folder name in Blender. Okay, and you need to check where exactly your Python is there. You can open your Blender and you can write in scripting in this part, this console. Okay, in console you can check. Next, in pip installation, what you can do, you can ensure the pip at first. If it is not, it will get installed with this python.exe. Okay, and you need to be in this folder. Now next, what happens, you need to upgrade your pip. So this is very much required. Okay, you can get with the installation with matplotlib. Okay, but with other installation you need to upgrade your pip. Okay, so for that reason what you can do, in same thing you can visit and you can say -m pip install upgrade pip. And next, what happens, say pip install Fyers underscore API version 3. So that is how you can do. So for installation of Fyers API version 3 for each and everything, what you can say is in profitadaweb.com, say Fyers API and search for it. Now what happens, you will get with version 3 Fyers API, where I talked about how you can carry with the installation and generation of access token. So you can visit. Okay, so our main part is done. Now what we have to do is we have to import the code related to MPL finance. Okay, so this is also required. So you need to do as the same as you with the pip install. Okay, but you need to first of all you need to run the CMD as an administrator, and then you need to do pip install. So whichever your required stuff is missing, just say pip install MPL finance with the required configuration. Okay, with where exactly you need to say about this, here my Python is there and you need to do this stuff. Okay, so this is how you can carry. Okay, so do it. If you face any issues, just comment below to this video. Okay, so what we are going to do here is simply we just copy this stuff. Okay, and we will do changes as per the Fyers API version 3. So just open your Blender, just select the general, and you have to do this tab, just get with the scripting. Okay, and you need to just say new. Okay, and just copy the stuff. Okay, so I think everything is perfect. The only thing is required you need to change is the module where exactly you are importing, and you need to ready with your app ID and access token. Okay, so access token should be generated. If you don't know about how to generate the access token, just watch the video. Okay, just visit profitadaweb.com or channel and say this stuff, so it will work for you. Okay, so here it's just easy to do if you follow my previous videos. Okay, and today we are going to do some of the analysis related to index, Nifty Bank Index. Okay, so we need to call this way. Okay, so everything is perfect. So we are extracting 2 days data, and one more thing which we are doing is in 1 minute interval. Okay, so this is how, few changes and we are good to go. Okay, and you can save this stuff. Okay, especially this part it is getting as in Blender, but I don't require. Okay, so if you try to say Control S, it will try to save it as in a Blender file. But what you can do is in text, if you just get on tab say save as, okay, and the Blender file, okay, which will be render, and I will name them as candlestick.py. So this py file, what happens if I save it as an py, so you can run in your the ideally file, whichever it is, whether it is PyCharm or Anaconda, whichever it is, you can run them stuff. Okay, so you can save it as .py. Okay, .txt you can import straight away. Okay, you can call, and in this also you can import whichever you want. Okay, so you can import the files, okay, and can do the stuff. Okay, now what happens for any other ideally, you can call this way. So I need to save the files. Okay, so I required a folder where I want to save my files. So this is basically my folder where I am storing each and every stuff. Okay, and I need to give this in a PNG format, and I need to name them. Okay, so this is how you can do. Okay, so you just have to say save fig, okay, and it will get you chart whichever we are plotting in a .png into this folder. Okay, so up to this we will be great. Okay, so we need to check that we are not doing any kind of error, so we are picture perfect. Okay, so let's run the script. Okay, so you can in text you can say as a run script. Okay, so we have no errors. Okay, and we can visit our folder, and we have .png format. So earlier it was not there, so we can see the format. Okay, so if you visualize, this is mainly it is in a 2D format. Okay, so this is how you can visit, as the volume is not available because it's an index spot chart. Okay, but as you can see, the candlestick chart is there. Okay, but I must say, whatever the 2D visualization is there in a 1 minute chart, it is looks normal. Okay, but what we're gonna do it in Blender, we will visualize this stuff in a Blender. Okay, so for that stuff what we can do is we need to import this stuff. Okay, so we will write 2 or 3 codes and we will able to do that stuff. So we'll say first of all import py, which is Blender Python. Okay, and in the next stuff what we have to say is bpy dot oops, and then we have to import image. So we have to say import image. Okay, and while importing this image, we are importing this in a plain file. Okay, so for this the code is available here. Okay, so if you just get with Blender, okay, so the import is here. So you have to say import image to planes. Okay, and so we have to say to underscore planes. Okay, and you can copy this code as well. Okay, but what we are doing only the required stuff only. Okay, so we need to open with the parentheses. Okay, and we need to say about the where exactly the files are there. Okay, so this is how you have to do. So you have to say about files. Okay, and you need to open this solid bracket, and in a flower bracket you need to name this where exactly your chart is available. I mean it is in a PNG. Okay, so all you have to do is you have to copy this above stuff. Okay, so I think here we are great. Okay, so we close this flower bracket with solid bracket, and in the end whichever we open the parenthesis bracket. So our import is done. Okay, now what happens, we need to call the object. Will be object equals, what we have to say is ppy dot context. So we have to first of all talk about context. Okay, context will be dot selected underscore objects. Okay, so we are selecting here at 0th. Okay, so whichever it is available, you should give it to us. And in the next we are talking about the location, which will be object dot location, and in which it will be like, we have to get as a 0th, 0th and 0th. Okay, so the location will be at center. Okay, and we need to scale this stuff. So what we can say, object dot scale. Okay, and okay, so all of this stuff we can say, and even we can delete whatever we have, but we will do it manually, this stuff, but orally you can automate a lot of stuff in this thing. Okay, so we'll try this stuff. Okay, and we should, if we are not facing any error, we will definitely get our .png in this Blender. Okay, so we'll try to visualize this stuff. Okay, so let's run this stuff. Okay, so we are getting error. Okay, so let us check what error we are facing. Okay, so here object is not written properly. We will run once again. Okay, so as you can see here, we got our this file. Okay, especially, and okay, we will check in layout itself. Okay, so I think right now we will see and try to render the stuff. Okay, so we are in final version of it. So first of all, you can check how you want to visualize. Okay, so you can by right hand side, if you just visit, you can see that some of the stuff is available in this part. We can, like, delete this box. Okay, sorry. Okay, so we can say the X. Okay, and we can delete this stuff, and now you can visualize this stuff. Okay, you can check how you want to view this stuff. Okay, and because whatever we are doing, we required a camera angle. Okay, which we need to zoom. Okay, so we need to get in object mode, and we need to see the stuff as required. Okay, so we need to move, resize. So this all the stuff which we can do from this stuff. Okay, okay, so this is how I will get. So whatever the plot or whichever it is there, I will get in this way. I can do polish a little bit in this stuff. Okay, render the image. Okay, and this is how it will look. Okay, so you can render in more in an accurate way it is required. So you can get with the UV editing or say sculpting, so shading. Okay, so this is how you can visit. Okay, especially you can watch the way you're looking. Okay, so it is in this, and suppose if I want to render in this. Okay, we will try some other stuff. Okay, So as we can say, viewport render image. Okay, so we'll check in this stuff. So what happens, whatever you got this as in you have been done straight away to the port. Okay, it will import each and everything. Okay, so that is how it will get over there. Okay, so I must say that you can try this stuff, and what you can do is to render, and if you need to save this image, okay, just click on this image and save, and you can name whichever you want. Okay, so just say candle, blender. Okay, and save it in a .png. Okay, so whichever format you want to store, just save it. Okay, will save your file, and you just, if you just visit and open this stuff, okay, the visualization will be more clear than your the required stuff. I mean the required .png stuff. Okay, especially it gives a tarot card reading stuff, okay, like that. Okay, so you will get more pixels and kind of a more visualization, especially in Blender. Okay, you can, like, polish this stuff more and more, and you will be able to visualize the stuff more. Okay, so just try to code the stuff which you are looking for and import in a Blender. Okay, and edit or polish or just do it whatever you want. Okay, animate. Okay, and try to plot. Okay, so the better you can visualize, the more you will be able to, like, trade in real time market in a better way. Okay, so I must say that visualization is important. So try this stuff, and if you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct via WhatsApp. Thank you.